stop. If you're preparing for the SAP Certified Implementation Consultant exam using only theory, you're already at risk of failing because SAP has changed the game. This is no longer just a multiple-choice exam. It's a performance-based test where you're dropped into a live system and expected to actually do the work. No memorization, no guessing. In this video, I'll walk you through real exam-level tasks, exactly how they appear, so you don't just study, you perform. This video is for future consultants, certification learners, and anyone serious about S/4HANA Cloud. By the end, you'll know how exam tasks work, how to execute them step by step, and how it actually evaluates your performance. In the real exam, you won't see theory questions. Instead, you'll face a business problem, like this. Scenario 1, Organizational Structure Setup. You are given a requirement. A company is implementing S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. They need to set up their organizational structure, including company code and plant. Your job is to create and assign a company code and plant using CBC. First, log into SAP Central Business Configuration and navigate to Organizational Structure, then select Create Company Code. Here, you enter the company code ID, country, and currency. After that, assign the company code to a controlling area. Next, go to Define Plant and assign the plant to the company code. Finally, do a quick validation to check if the company code is active, the plant is correctly assigned, and no configuration errors appear. Task 2. Procure-to-Pay process. A company needs to purchase raw materials from a vendor. You must create a purchase order and process goods receipt. Open the Fiori app and go to Create Purchase Order. Enter the supplier, material, quantity, and plant, then save the purchase order. Next, go to Post Goods Receipt, reference the purchase order, and confirm the receipt. Candidates often make mistakes like selecting the wrong supplier, forgetting the plant assignment, or skipping the goods receipt step. The result is an incomplete process, which can lead to 0 score. For validation, check that the material document is generated, stock is updated, and the purchase order history correctly reflects the transaction. This is how SAP tests you, not just on creating entries, but on completing the entire business flow. If you want to actually practice these SAP exam tasks in a real exam-like environment, check out Certshero.com. They provide SAP exam simulations, real scenario-based tasks, hands-on practice to boost your confidence. Task 3, Order-to-Cash process. A customer places an order for finished goods. You must create sales order, deliver, invoice. Open Create Sales Order and enter the customer, material, and quantity, then save the order. Next, create the outbound delivery and post the goods issue. Finally, create the billing document to complete the process. Candidates often make mistakes such as skipping the delivery step, selecting an incorrect customer master, or facing pricing errors. For validation, ensure the billing document is generated, revenue is recorded, and the entire process is completed end-to-end. Today, you didn't just learn SAP, you performed organizational setup, procure-to-pay, order-to-cash, and that's exactly how these performance-based exam works. If you rely only on theory, you'll struggle. But if you practice real tasks, you'll pass like a consultant. Start practicing today on Certshero.com, where you get real SAP exam simulations, scenario-based tasks, and proven preparation tools. Also, check out our next video where we go deeper into advanced configuration tasks. Don't just study, practice it, perform it, pass it.